Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook Eat and Repeat. Today I'll share how to make Oreo shake at rupees 50 only. For that we need Oreo 10 rupees and chocolate syrup, it is also 10 rupees but it is optional. Then milk 1 cup, Choco Chips, ice cream 10 rupees each. Now adding all the ingredients in the mixer grinder. Grind it all together. Now add some choco chips. Mix it. Now spread some choco chips and Oreo crumbs. Try this once at home. You will love it and you don't have to spend rupees 200 or more for this yummy Oreo shake anymore. And for amazing yummy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.